Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Lumineorganics subscription. Okay, so basically there are so many supplements they are selling right now, like multi collagen peptides, magnesium complex, Ned plus advance and all. So when you place any order on the website, there is a option subscribe and save. If you forget to untick the option, they will activate subscription, and the cancellation is like very hard, we can say. Okay, because first method I am going to tell you, then we are going to discuss about how you can cancel your subscription if you are facing any problem. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website, and there is a option like at the very top side, manage subscription. Okay, you need to click on this link, manage subscription, and once you click on the link, there is a option like you need to provide your email. Okay, you need to enter your email, you need to click on send subscription login link. Okay, and you need to log in into your email, and you will see like they have provided you you can login link. You need to click on the link, and by clicking on the link you can log in into your account and you can cancel your subscription. Okay, so this is the one method by which you can cancel your subscription. Now come to the main point. If this method will not work for you, in this case what you can do, my dear friends, there is no option to cancel your subscription. You just need to simply cancel your credit card. Okay, you need to call customer support. You just want to close your card, and once you close your card, once you get new card, your all unwanted subscription, all the subscription will end it, and this is the only last option to cancel your subscription. Okay, so this is the information, because in today's time there are hundreds and thousands of brands is available online. They just when you place the order, they will just activate subscription and they are charging on your account, and they are getting money from your account. So these are the basic problems in today's time. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, if you have any problem, you can mention in our comment section. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.